So today I'm about to show you how to create a shared team workspace in NotebookLM. First, understand that NotebookLM does not use a traditional shared folder system. Instead, your team workspace is built by creating a centralized notebook by sharing it, and sharing it directly with your colleagues. Open NotebookLM, click New Notebook, and upload all your shared company assets, like standard operating procedures, training manuals, and project templates. Next, navigate to the top right-hand corner of your screen and click the Share button. A configuration panel will pop up to add your team members individually. Type their email addresses into the Add People box. Before hitting Send, look at the Access drop-down menu. If you want your team to build the workspace with you, change their role from viewer to editor. Editors have full rights to upload new source files, delete, and add pinned notes. Pro tip: if your company uses Google Workspace domain, sharing a notebook with a massive team is much faster using a single link. In the sharing panel, change the general access setting to anyone with a link. And that's it. That's how to create shared team workspace in NotebookLM. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.